Sometimes you travel to a place and it feels like it's been waiting for you. Cittadella, with its charming streets and rich history, gave me that feeling. Come explore this town with me and discover its magic. Hi everyone, here is Dina, and this is my blog about life in Italy and beyond. This town is special for a few reasons. First, it's one of the few places in Italy where you can still walk on the ancient town walls. Imagine strolling along, feeling the cool stone beneath your feet, and gazing out at the rooftops and rolling hills. It's a truly unique experience that transports you back in time. But the walls aren't just scenic, they also house a fascinating museum.
Look at them.
Cittadella isn't just stuck in the past. As you walk around, you'll be surprised by how modern it feels. The streets are clean and well maintained, and there are even spots to charge electric cars, a sign of a town that's embracing the future. The town itself is quite small, but that's part of its charm. You can easily explore everything on foot in a few hours, soaking up the atmosphere and getting a feel for local life. There is a real sense of community here. People greet each other warmly, and there is a sense of peacefulness that washes over you. It's the kind of place where you can slow down, relax, and simply enjoy the moment. Cittadella's population might be small, clocking in around 20,000, but the town itself has grown over the years, expanding beyond its historic walls. This has made the area within the walls even more special, transforming it into a living piece of history. Speaking of history, it also influences real estate prices here. As in many Italian towns, you'll find property details displayed on agency windows. As someone constantly on the hunt for my dream Italian home, I couldn't resist taking a peek. For example, a spacious duplex apartment near the historic center, but outside the walls, could set you back around 370,000 euros. On the other hand, a completely renovated penthouse right in the heart of Cittadella, steps away from the Duomo, might cost closer to 465,000 euros. It seems the charming streets within the walls do come with a charming price tag. Craving a local bite, I ducked into a charming bar. Imagine my surprise. Bagels. Memories of Borough Park came rushing back. A fresh bagel with a glass of rosé made for a delightful and unexpected aperitivo. For more hidden gems in the Veneto region, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. I'm always exploring new towns and sharing my finds with all of you. Until next time, stay curious. Arrivederci.